Alright guys, let's take a peek at this 21 TRD Off-Road. It features our lift kit and sliders. This is on the OEM wheels. So let's see how these BFG KO2s set up there. Look at the preload collar at the bottom of that off-road suspension. It's going to work directly with your OEM setup. As we look from the back to the front here, we can see how these 285s sit on those off-road wheels, as well as how that 0-degree top plate slider is a great platform to get in and out of the vehicle, or if you have something up on the roof rack to get up to it. A little bit more closer detail here of all of these MIG welds. As we see, these are meticulously done. Our welders are some of the best out there. If we come looking from the back again, I want to show you how that positive offset on these factory wheels sets up on that 285 just inside that fender, as well as looking forward how that slider sits just outside for some protection. This is the 285 7017 BFG KO2 on the factory wheels using your stock suspension. So it's a great option, transforms the look and the ride of that vehicle.